So we touched upon this formula that I find very interesting, and it takes a lot more to go into, but I gave you this as a teaser, food for thought, okay? Because if you really sit down and look at these all, you'll see that if you fine-tune each aspect of this formula, you will lessen your procrastination and increase your motivation and be more productive. But to be more productive, you need to set goals. And to complete tasks and goals, lesson plans, curriculums, whatever you want, you need to be specific in what you want to do. You need to measure your specific benchmarks. They need to be achievable, manageable, realistic, and done in a timely fashion. The reason why timely is last is because after this section of the agenda, we're going to jump into the Pomodoro effect. So what are SMART goals? Okay, what are SMART goals? Be specific in what it is you want to do. Measure what you want to do. Okay, how will you know when you've reached your goals? Achievable, is it in your power to accomplish it? Realistic, can you realistically achieve each part in the time that you want to achieve it or accomplish it? So, to break this down even further, with your specific goals, the most important thing is to identify the outcome of that goal. Don't be general. Okay, make it as specific as possible. Do not be vague in what it is you want to achieve. The more you're specific, as it says there, it helps you to identify what it is you want to do and the resources that you're going to need to achieve that success. When you're measuring what it is you want to do, this clear definition of success is what you're looking at in the horizon and saying, that's what I am going to accomplish. This particular component, okay, answers how much or how many and highlights how you'll know you have achieved your goal, okay, by evaluating each achievement and the progress. You see, if you don't set benchmarks like on an Excel sheet, if you don't go back and see how is it that you're progressing, it's going to be very difficult to have a clear timeline. Achievable. Your goal should be challenging, but reasonable to achieve. Don't push your students too much. Don't set the bar too high, because if they can't reach and extend and actually be successful, they will give up. Reflecting on this particular component can reveal walls, barriers that you may need to overcome to realize your success. Outlines are key, okay, in planning to see if, in fact, I can do this or not. Now, being realistic, this is a tough one, okay? Be honest with yourself. Be true to yourself. Don't think you're Superman or Superwoman, okay? You're human, and you need to be able to delegate what it is you want to achieve in a way that you will do it, let's say, you won't crash and burn by the time you finish, okay? Determining if this is aligned to your values and if it is a priority focus for you. You know, sometimes we put things in motion just because. And when we actually start doing this, we see and we tell ourselves, you know what? this isn't actually something that I want to continue. That's being realistic. Okay. And finally, timely. Every goal needs a target date. Studying, same thing. Completing projects, completing lesson plans, grading papers, even outside the realm of education. Just things that you do in life needs to be done in a timely fashion. Okay.